Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you've ever experienced that dreaded drip drip sound of a roof leak, you know how stressful it can be. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a roof leak step by step, saving you both time and money. Let's get started. Scene 1, identifying the leak. First things first, you need to identify where the leak is coming from. Often, the leak is not directly above the water damage you see. It could be several feet away. Start by checking your attic during a rainstorm with a flashlight to trace the leak's path. Look for any water stains or wet spots along the rafters and sheathing. Scene 2. Safety tips before you start repairs. Before you get on the roof, safety is key. Make sure you have sturdy shoes with a good grip and consider using a safety harness if your roof is steep. Also, don't work on the roof in wet or windy conditions, as this could be dangerous. Scene 3. Common roof leak causes. Now, let's talk about some common causes of roof leaks. The most frequent culprits are damaged or missing shingles, cracked flashing, and clogged gutters. Inspect your roof for any of these problems before deciding on the repair method. Scene 4. Fixing damaged shingles. If you spot damaged or missing shingles, here's what you do. Lift the shingles around the damaged one gently using a pry bar. Remove the nails holding the broken shingle, slide the old shingle out, and nail a new one in place. Seal the new shingle with roofing adhesive to secure it against the elements. Scene 5. Sealing cracked flashing. Flashing is the metal sheeting that surrounds chimneys, vents, and skylights. If it's cracked, water can seep in. Apply a bead of roofing sealant over the crack, or if the flashing is severely damaged, replace it. Make sure to secure any new flashing with roofing nails and apply sealant along the edges. Scene 6. Unclogging gutters. Sometimes roof leaks are caused by clogged gutters that force water back onto your roof. Use gloves to scoop out debris and rinse the gutters with a hose. Make sure the downspouts are clear to allow water to flow away from your home. Scene 7. Using roof patching materials for small holes. For smaller holes or cracks in your roof, you can use roof patching material. Clean the area, apply the patch, and spread it evenly with a putty knife. Once it's dry, test it with a garden hose to make sure the leak is fixed. Scene 8. When to call a professional. If your roof damage is extensive, or if the leak persists despite your best efforts, it might be time to call a professional roofer. Sometimes, a full roof replacement or specialized repair is necessary to protect your home. Conclusion. Roof leaks can be tricky, but with the right tools and techniques, many of these issues are manageable on your own. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Drop any questions or future video requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay dry out there.